Let me think.
Okay, okay.
Yes, in this. Oh no, but it is black. Ah, yes, yes,
This is your first class?
yes. My first class.
Okay, don't worry. It's very easy for this first class, right?
Okay.
Okay, well, for this first class, the topic is very simple. We're gonna talk about so many ideas about learning English for like a second language for the people in this country, maybe. And we're gonna talk about some questions about this topic, learning English like a second language. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. And the first question is for you: is English an easy or difficult language to learn?
Yes, I think that English is easy to learn because it has less words, and I think that if I study so much in less time, I can learn a lot and possible all language.
Yeah, yeah, it's right. In my opinion, I think also English is easy language to learn because in English we don't have so many words to learn and the different way the Spanish because Spanish have a whole world of words to learn to understand right. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. The next question: how long will it take to master English for you?
Master English is a way like to speak the big English, and I don't know, to master English es lo más grande en inglés.
Yeah, in this case, master English is
Mm.
um,
Oh.
how long will it take to learn very well English?
Ah, yes, yes. Okay, depend of the time that you put in practice the English. For example, I need to study every day, all day, and practice with another people, or maybe listen to music. That it is a cloud. Um, I think that you need to put your cell phone in English and watch movies. If you practice old tools, you learn and possible can be master English.
Yeah, yeah, and that's right because um, the people the people learn English in 2 years, and other people learn English in 10 years. So that's depends of what time you dedicate to learn English.
The effort or effort esfuerzo.
Yeah, yeah. Your
Effort.
effort is important to improve English and learn English. And I think English is a language you have to improve every day of all your life. You always have to learn something new.
It's okay.
Okay, the third question. Which English skill for you is the easiest skill? Reading, writing, speaking, or listening, and why?
For me, I think that speaking and writing are possible reading, but listening is very difficult. I think that I read a text, I understand a lot of vocabulary, and write is possible that I have time to order ideas, but listening is possible I don't understand many words.
Yeah, it's right. So, reading, writing, and speaking are easy for you?
Yes, possible, possible speaking.
Yeah, yeah. Speak.
Reading and writing, yes.
You speak very well. You're very fluency. So in the next question, you tell me the different case. Which English skill is the hardest?
Okay, is I consider that listening is hardest for me
Yeah.
because in many cases um, there are songs that um, sing very fast possible I don't listen the word and for these cases to the natives I
Mm-hmm.
think that Colombian people uh, speak more clear.
Yeah. I think in that case that you're talking about is have two accent because we the Colombian people understand other Colombians because we understand very well the accent. But when I try to understand a singer in United States, for example, it's difficult listen what he said or what she said because the accent of the United States it's different. And the other hand is difficult for Colombian or second language people like us understand the songs or the audios of the native people because they talking about with slangs, with jerga, para que me entiendas, ¿sí?
Yes, yes,
Claro,
yes.
ellos usan mucha jerga. So it's difficult to understand that slangs for the Colombian people like us. So yeah, I understand why listening it's very difficult for Colombian people and very difficult for you. And then the next, um, how is English different from your language? How do you think English is different from Spanish?
Yes, I think that English is easier than Spanish because English has uh, less words. And for example, the articles, la, el, okay,
Yeah, yeah, it's a good example.
yes, and maybe the conjugations of the verbs.
Yeah,
Um, I think that is very easy because the vocabulary is less. I think that
yeah, yeah,
is easy because in Spanish we have a lot of words like synonyms, but in English, um, possible a word have a lot of words.
yeah. It's right that you say because when you need to use verbs in present continuous, it's very easy because you take the verb and you add ing. That's it.
Yes, and possible a verb. For example, yo tengo, tú tienes, nosotros tenemos.
Yeah, in
Uh,
Spanish is
the contrary.
other different count because
Uh,
you need transform in each case you need transform the word in and depend of the on the pronoun.
yes. Okay. Yes.
I think Spanish is very difficult for the people of other countries, and I think English is very easy in comparison that the Spanish to learn like a second language. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, and this question, do you enjoy learning English and speaking English?
Yes. I think that learning is more difficult because sometimes you don't have yes some people that help you, but when I enjoy it when I have the space with another person. In this case, with you, and yes, with my teacher. And speak English is other type of of I can see the life because I think that is um, that I understand other cultures, I know other people, and I don't know very things.
Yeah, it's in many cases it's difficult to people learn English and enjoy it because all people think that English is very difficult language and um, they have nervous at the moment to speak in English. So it's very easy when the people have trust and talk with other people in English.
Yes, practice and practice.
Yeah, yeah, and practice, and you improve in the future.
Yes.
Okay, that's it for this class. And this class is very short. It's introduce for these classes to of the long of the semester. And what do you think? What is your impression for these classes?
Yes, I think that all classes contribute with my knowledge, and I
Yeah,
think that have these spaces is effort to the knowledge. I think that this class is very interesting because so many times I don't have I don't think how is important English, and and mm, it is easier than other language, and it's very important practice.
yeah, it's very important. These classes, for example, my classes for these conversations, will it'll be all Mondays probably.
Mondays, okay. And I need to write my name other time, or you write here?
No, no, I need to name what's your name and surname.
Okay, Karen Ortega.
Okay. Yeah. What is the course you're right now in this semester?
Okay, English 7.
English conversation.
Yes, English conversation.
Okay. And what's your academic email?
Okay, en, en inglés o en español. Ok,
No,
Karen
okay,
Ortega.
okay. Tell me in Spanish.
Ok, KL Ortega, doble A al final, ¿no?
Ortega.
Eh, arroba
Yeah.
natvirtual.edu.co. Ok, the Skype, ¿no?
Okay, thank you. And I hope you see you in our next class, probably in Monday. You have to check your mail. In your mail, we have sent you our dates of the classes.
Ah, okay, yes. When I review this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.